kind of look the same.
look the
They all look.
same. You don't know it's a kya hai ye.
Yeah.
So, but you don't give up on that baby. You don't say, "Oh, yaar, isko chodo." You know, like you
Yeah.
you feed that thing. You deal with
Yeah.
it. It cries, but until the baby's sitting like this, a human being talking to you like a.
Yeah.
So that takes time, and initially producers beat play kar dete hain.
Mm.
They'll start playing music,
Yeah.
and then you're listening to that music. And my thing, mera question ye hai ki if someone's gonna start playing that beats for me,
Mm-hmm.
well, those are existing ideas.
Yeah.
Those are like more plastic. They're not as plastic. They're more uh, constructed
Yeah. They
later
kind of
stage.
आपको बाउंड भी कर लेते हैं एक एरिया में क्योंकि उनकी एक प्रोग्रेशन चल रही है राइट वो आपको ऑलरेडी जोन में
Yeah,
लेके जा रहा है like certain it's pushing you into a certain
it
area
has a
it,
gravitational pull already. It
yeah
has a mass to it already.
exactly
So it's creating its gravity. It's creating
yeah yeah
its its existence.
yeah
It's tangible already. Your idea is not.
yeah
You see that?
yeah
Now that from a technical point of view, it's a very bad place for you to put your put. You're gonna instantly get pulled into the gravitational pull of that
music
solar system,
yeah
that music,
yeah
of that mass,
yeah
and you're gonna circle around it without knowing.
without
तुम
knowing
सोच
yeah
रहे हो कि हाँ मैं कितना क्रिएटिव हूँ मैं गाना यार बजाता रहा ये बीट बजाता रहा ये बीट नहीं वो जो बीट बजा रहा है और वो जो तुम सोच it's already has a gravity. Can you see gravity?
no
No. Do I think I'm being pulled on this earth?
no
I don't think, but I am.
you are
I can't feel it. I can't see it. I'm numb to it. I'm too close to
yeah
realize that right now we're moving. How
yeah
much? Like ridiculous
uh,
amount of
Earth is spinning at about I think 2,000 miles an hour
roughly 2,000 miles
yeah
an hour.
yeah
Not spin that, and then not to mention the spin around the
yeah
sun, and not to mention the sun. It's also the solar system itself.
yeah
So we're numb to all of
yeah
those elements.
right
We look in the sky and we say, "Hey, we're free. Sky is the limit." No, it's
yeah
not. Jump.
yeah
Let me see your limit.
और अगर अर्थ रुक जाए for example it stopped spinning
Yeah.
I mean there'd be chaos right there are, I mean the life will just end immediately on earth because उसी से तो
So for it to stop spinning, a lot outside of the Earth has to happen.
yeah
You see, it can't. Its spin is not a voluntary movement. Earth is not spinning because it just wants to
right
spin.
right
It's all the other elements around it, and which dives into the dark energy and the dark matter topic, which is
yeah
97% of the element.
yeah
A very less of it is actually the gravitational pull of sun. So actually, why it keeps spinning? Long story short, we don't know why.
yeah oh my god
We
तो
don't know why it's spinning.
आप एल्बम बना रहे थे अपनी RSR तो what was your daily day was like until you like from the day you started the album till you finished the album आपका like what was your routine like सुबह क्या करते थे उठ के and then like what was going through your head at that moment like
So I was done with like I wasn't in the you already know I don't have a studio or anything like that. So reality में हुआ ये था कि I got back in touch with my team at Saga Music.
अच्छा
With the last couple years ago, there was a lot of confusion between me and the label and the fans.
okay
And you know, fans watch a lot of videos and they live in a lot of that.
जी जी
A little bit fans are like closer to the drama and
yeah
fiction than the reality.
yeah
So there was a lot of negativity brewing. काफी बड़ी negative बातें चल रही थी.
जी.
And वो story बड़ी fictionalize हो रही थी कि ओ पता नहीं क्या हो गया. सागा म्यूजिक के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया भाई को. And stuff like that. वो प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं था. प्रॉब्लम ये था कि मैं एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में जो कि मेरे लिए फॉरेन है. You know, my first album was called In the Foreign Land. And everyone thought I was talking about me being in America.
Yeah.
Which they saw it.
जी.
One of these recently I shared a post saying that जब मैं जाता हूँ देसी कंट्रीज में हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान तो मेरे आर्टिकल लगते हैं इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट आ रहा है.
जी.
जो मैं इंटरनेशनल कंट्रीज में आता हूँ वहाँ आर्टिस्ट वहाँ बोलते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट आ रहा है. तो अगर मैं हर जगह मेरा नाम इंटरनेशनल से स्टार्ट करोगे तो नेशनल तो नहीं करना चाहिए. I'm a foreign. The whole world is a foreign land for me. Then I'm a foreigner in the whole world. Then if I'm foreigner in the country I was born, if I'm being called foreigner in the country that I'm a citizen of, I'm foreigner in any country I visit. The foreigner, I'm in the foreign land. Yeah. This whole world is a foreign land to me. Right. The industry, the way it works, very foreign. The way Bollywood works, very foreign.
Yeah.
मुझसे लोग पूछते थे पाजी, you're in Punjabi industry. I said, I know Punjabi music. Yeah. And I know music industry. I don't know Punjabi music industry.
Yeah.
I know music industry, and I know Punjabi music. You show me the Punjabi music industry. What are you talking about? What industry?
Yeah.
It's like people are sometimes they don't get it. So I had issues that I would have naturally being a foreigner. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही भाई कि क्या हो रहा है क्या. I mean rap desi hip hop का भी genre बन गया and it's a genre that's successful. It's rolling. It doesn't need me.
नहीं, I think आपका
जिस बंदे ने बनाया है उस भाई तू बैठ जा. You relax. We got this. अच्छा. हमाकत देखो.
जी.
ऐसा तो दौर है.
Yeah.
तो फिर मैं बैठ के वही नहीं सुनूंगा भाई इंशाह जी उठो अब कुछ करो. So अब I'm just thankful to people like Saga Music, a company that is still saying, oh bro, we know you are in your own world, you don't understand any of this.
Yeah.
But there's people out there, bro, they love your music.
Yeah.
If you want to make music, we'll help you put it out.
Yes.
And I love Saga Music for doing that. We talked and I said, yeah, man, I do want to put, like, you know what I do want to do?
Ji.
I want to put music out.
Ji.
That's about it. But I just want to make music because people like my music. I like that people like my music.
Yeah.
I like that people say, hey, I like you. Make music. I like your music. I like that. It makes me feel like, हाँ मेरी कोई value is doing is. हूँ तो मैं foreigner ही, but at least, you know, I'm not being deported anytime soon of this world. You know, they're like, hey, people of the world, the real people of the world, we like you.
Yeah.
If you keep making the music. I'm like, cool. So Saga Music, and we talked. Yeah. And I said, hey man, I want you guys to, I want to clear this mess.
Negativity जो फैल रही थी all over the place.
Yeah, I want to clear this. I mean, I don't get it. I don't do confusion. I don't do interviews. I don't talk. I don't know. कहाँ से कहाँ. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm listening to all these stories and I'm like, bro, what is going on?
Yeah.
Last hashtag I'm seeing free Bohemia.
अच्छा. किस चीज से?
मैंने जाके घर में चेक किया कि मेरा दरवाजा तो नहीं कहीं लॉक है बाहर से। बाहर निकला मैं घर से तो मैं कहा यार चलो
अभी फ्री है।
फ्री कि नहीं,
या
या तो शायद शादी होगी मेरी इसलिए फ्री कोई नहीं।
उससे तो फिर फ्री नहीं हो
उससे
सकते अब।
तो मैं नहीं हो सकता फ्री, वो तो लाइफ सेंटेंस है।
नहीं, आई थिंक फैंस को चाहिए कि वो अनलेस
तो
के आप डायरेक्टली खुद लिख रहे हो ना कुछ टैग या कुछ, if you're saying it directly from you, I think fans need to follow that instead के किसी
well
ने
this is good, then you take me more on lives, हम आया करेंगे फिर ऐसे lives में।
exactly
बताओ भी सारे thumbs up करके कि ऐसे हम आया करें live में।
हाँ
आप अपडेटां दें ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ update देइए की हो रहा। So फिर बात आपका जो क्वेश्चन था, let me make the short story long। हुआ ये कि फिर सागा ने कहा कि ठीक है भाई फिर एल्बम निकाल,
जी
हवा क्लियर हो जाएगी, यू पुट आउट न्यू म्यूजिक, व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर, म्यूजिक आउट। मैं कहा हाँ आइडिया तो अच्छा है, लेट्स पुट म्यूजिक आउट। अब मुझे गित्ता भाई कहते कि यार बाजी तुसी अपना ही कर, because now mind you between Saga Music, Gitta Baji, between all my people that helped me in the industry, I have support. I got everyone you can think of, all the lovely guys, beautiful producers, all the lovely artists, singers, beat makers. They're sending me their beats. There's man, Ajkal, oh, you already know Ajkal kids are doing amazing work.
yes
But my team was like, nah, bro, वो तो कभी भी हो सकता है, because I love doing collaborations and
जी
someone sending me a beat, and I'm like, hey, अब इस पे rap कैसे होगा? That's like a challenge, right? Because now I didn't make that beat,
yeah
but I have to rap on it.
और वो टॉपिक भी कुछ आपको मिल रहा है कि वो सिंगर गा क्या रहा है, क्या
क्या
शायरी
कह रहा है? Yes, it's like okay, let's. So it gets me. It's a fun exercise, अपने
yeah
studio में तो अपनी beat तो मैं,
yeah
but I'm like, oh, so, but nah, Gitta Paji, Sumit Paji, Pavish, everybody of the team, were like, no, bro, we want you to produce, and I'm like, bro, मैंने तो beat मतलब बनाए तो सदियों हो गई।
yeah
Yeah, because that's not about that. Plus, I don't listen to beats.
yeah
भी आजकल कौन सी beats चल रही हैं and all that. I felt really kind of scared. कि यार, man, I don't know.
yeah
Plus, young kids are making such dope beats.
yeah
तो क्या हुआ? बैठ गया फिर मैं
जी
कि देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो बस I think within a month, less than a month, I was done with the whole album. Way less than a month. A month to isliye because I was not working on it consistently. I was Saath Saath I did a track with Parmesh. Saath Saath I did track with Honey.
अच्छा
Saath Saath I was also shooting with other guys. With Gitta Paji we did the Sharif track.
Sharif track
Saath Saath I did 5 new tracks with Ali Mangat. It's a whole EP.
Yeah.
Me and Ali worked on. Saath Saath I did 4 new collaborations with my label Saga. कितने रैप हो गए? 30 गाने तो हो ही गए अभी भी।
wow
तो उसके साथ साथ फिर so in other words अगर मैं इस पे consistently अगर इसी पे सिर्फ काम करता तो एल्बम I would have done it in a week. जो लास्ट टाइम हमने कितने 5 दिन में कर दिया?
5 दिन में पूरे album.
Yeah.
That was an amazing experience studio में being with you.
Yeah.
I learned a lot. Yeah.
That was fun.
That was a lot of fun. और मुझे सीखने को बहुत मिला आपसे. गाना कैसे लिखते हैं, like how do you detach yourself from, like, when you're going into music making zone, how do you you have to detach yourself from the world and go into that creative zone, right? So वो बहुत important था. अब मुझे ऐसी आदत पड़ी
सारे
है
नहीं
कि
ऐसा करते.
no, I don't think so. Like, I've sat with other people, they a lot of times यही वाला मसला आता है कि वो जो आप बीट की बात कर रहे थे ना, उनके पास बीट होती है, फिर it's kind of like they're kind of just trying to fit words on the beat, कोई टॉपिक लेके fit words on the beat. तो वो उसी में, well, yours was different. You were kind of, you already had like stuff in your mind, and then we went in the studio to finalize कि ये इसका sound क्या होगा, but you already knew song क्या है,
Song, yeah.
journey क्या है.
Yeah.
That was amazing. That was
So
amazing.
it's like a good argument, right? It's
जी,
like making a good argument or a good debate.
जी.
I mean, you have your bullet points, your comebacks, your arguments, your facts, your references.
बिल्कुल.
You have all those. जब
जी,
आप किसी as a lawyer, you're fighting one side,
जी.
or as a debate, मैं कह रहा हूँ, let me prove this to you, you know. तो उसके लिए मेरी तैयारी कितनी होनी चाहिए? How do I know I'm coming up with an argument against
Yeah,
you, and I need to prove you that
yeah.
I have a point. I don't know. I can only have a reference point as to what you're gonna say, what you're gonna ask,
Yeah,
how much you're gonna press, how hard is it gonna be for me to convince you.
yeah,
हो सकता है it's a very easy road. I make a few points and you get it.
yeah.
But it might not work. हो सकता है I might need to pull out references.
जी.
हो सकता है I might need to prove why I'm saying what I'm saying to you.
Right,
Who says
right.
this?
Yeah.
Who else has said this?
Hmm.
So I'm proving my relevancy. I'm proving that I'm factual. So I'll pull out some dates for you. I'll pull out some